Can you read?
This porridge is too hot, said Goldilocks. This porridge is too cold. This porridge is just right. Yum, yum. This chair is too hard, said Goldilocks. This chair is too soft. This chair is just right. Oops! This bed is too hard. This, said Goldilocks. This bed is too soft. This bed is just right. Who's been eating my porridge? Said Daddy Bear. Who's been eating my porridge? Said Mommy Bear. My porridge is all gone, said Baby Bear. Who been sitting in my chair? Said Daddy Bear. Who been sitting in my chair? Said Mommy Bear. My chair is broken, said Baby Bear. He cried. Who's been sleeping in my bed? Said Daddy Bear. Who's been sleeping in my bed? Said Baby Bear. Mommy Bear. Who's sleeping in my bed? Said Baby Bear. Time to go, said Goldilocks. The end. Bye-bye. See you later.